Good morning, good afternoon. This is Crypto Body. Most people they know me on my Facebook page, which is a Veron or digital platform. I'm quite excited today, and I want to give you the introduction about the MLCI business opportunity, which is the most trending opportunity nowadays, which is a lifetime opportunity. Once you join, once you get it started, there's no looking back. See, okay, investor. Let's go. Many people from different backgrounds have started to use the MLCI business opportunity to solve a wide range of new tasks, include how to learn intelligent behavior in complex dynamics environments. If you are looking at any episode about the MLCI business opportunity, this is the most critical step you can take to your life today. This is the business that many people are looking for it, are real stranded for it, but they do not know where to get it. Today, I want to give you this episode so that you can take step one to go towards your goals. Today, you have no longer willing to get the opportunity, but how you are going to grow your business from the scratch, keep on scratching and moving forward. This business will teach you about video lessons. This business will teach you about certification. This business will teach you about online courses. This business will train you how to play a board game. This business will tell you about the cash flow quadrant. This business will also teach you how to become a professional investor, how to save 10% from all your incomes, how to pay yourself first, how to be a powerful entrepreneur, how to differentiate between asset and liabilities, which is the most deciding step for the successful people and the poor ones. In this introduction, I will give you the general information about the MLCI business, as well as an overview of the most challenging problems we might face in the adoption of the business opportunities of today. This is the most critical step you may take or may require it to be taken. Most people are so reluctant to take these opportunities and take it. And the only way to change yourself is to change you. The only way to change your life is to change yourself. You can be the one